Noah survived. Mystic, you got it. You're going to learn to love this bike and trust it very much. You're in the bike, and the bike's going to protect you. Hi. Noah, what happened?
On that first one?
Yeah.
I lost control of it and went into the middle of the trail.
You almost ate it.
Yeah.
All the way around the outside.
Oh, it's on this way.
Yeah, round the outside, round the outside.
This goes around the outside, around the outside.
And don't forget to check your brakes if you guys want, just like
That's what I'm trying to do.
I will not bump you or crash into you. I will fly into the bushes before I bump you, okay?
Oh, thanks. If you do fly into the bushes, try not to hurt yourself again.
Yes, ma'am.
That would really suck. What? I heard Big Bob Mexican.
All right, you got what?
That's what I heard from him.
Big butt Mexican?
No, big, like, big, I don't know.
Yeah, these are the free ride lines.
Dad, don't do that. Don't do that. Please, Dad, don't do that. Please don't do that. What the frick? Dad, you scared me. Dude, I couldn't walk down that.
Some people do this, they just cannonball it straight down. The more popular ones are that one there or the ones over there.
Oh my god. Okay, I never get dizzy from heights, but that's actually before they ram into that hill.
Big brakes.
Wait, no. Dad, I'm assuming they go down this thing at light speed.
Yes.
They're literally like this, all the way down. Because if you actually
Yes.
try and brake and go slow, you're gonna die. You will flip over and you will explode. People are this good.
Just keep looking down the trail, Biscuit. Because they got a little bit of dust on them, so they're squeaking. Now, Mystic, if you want a little bit more comfort, you can stand up when you're going down these downhill parts, and you'll feel a lot more safe.
That's not how it works.
Sure it does.
I don't. Ah, Dad!
Yeah, we're right near the edge. Don't look down.
Oh my god.